Part 6, the freedom of feeding yourself. So here we are, full circle. The world told you to shrink, to subtract, to disappear in the name of health, but here's the truth that rewrites the story. Your body doesn't want less of you. It wants more from you. More nourishment, more trust, more care. Eat more to lose weight isn't just a catchy contradiction. It's a rebellion against every false belief that made you afraid of your own hunger. Because hunger isn't weakness, it's wisdom. It's the most ancient signal of life whispering, "Feed me and I'll take care of the rest." And when you finally listen, really listen, you stop fighting biology and start flowing with it. That's not diet culture, that's liberation. Maybe the secret isn't hidden in macros or supplements or spreadsheets. Maybe it's in the moments you stopped counting and started feeling. The morning you ate breakfast without guilt, the afternoon you didn't panic over hunger but smiled because it meant your body was awake again. The night you finally enjoyed dinner, full, calm, satisfied, and realized the world didn't end because you fed yourself. Those moments aren't small, they're revolutionary, because every time you choose nourishment over fear, you're rewriting generations of conditioning. You're telling your body, I'm not starving anymore, not for food, not for approval, not for control. Here's the paradox that no diet plan dares to say out loud. The more at peace you become with food, the less control it has over you. The less you chase numbers, the more your body naturally balances them. You don't have to manipulate every calorie or agonize over every meal. You just have to keep the promise and to feed, not deprive, to listen, not dictate. The human body is miraculous in its ability to adapt and forgive. It doesn't hold grudges for the years you underfed it. The moment you start nourishing it again, it responds with grace. Energy returns, weight stabilizes, focus sharpens. It's like a light coming back on in a house that's been dim for too long. And in that light, you start to see how much time you lost to fear, to guilt, to endless rules that never made you free. Think about it. How many birthdays, dinners, or spontaneous adventures did you skip because you were watching what you eat? How many laughs did you mute with the noise of calorie math? How much of your life got postponed in the name of control? But when you start eating more, eating well, you get that time back. You get to be present again, to live again, to enjoy the thing that was never supposed to be your enemy, food. And isn't that what we're all craving? Not a number on a scale, but a life that feels light again, inside and out. Let's take this further, because this isn't just about what happens in your kitchen. It's about what happens in your mind. When you feed yourself properly, your brain chemistry shifts, your focus sharpens, your serotonin, your feel-good hormone, rises. You stop reacting from scarcity and start responding from stability. You make clearer choices, not desperate ones. You sleep deeper, you wake up ready, you walk into your day not chasing willpower but riding momentum. That's what eating more unlocks, mental clarity. Because a fed body is a grounded mind, and a grounded mind is unstoppable. So let's redefine what health really means. It's not about being smaller, it's about being stronger. It's not about chasing perfection, it's about finding peace. And peace isn't passive, it's power under control. When you eat more of the right things, colorful, vibrant, whole foods that bring life instead of fear, you stop treating your plate like a battlefield and start treating it like a canvas. You build meals with joy, with color, with gratitude. You move your body because it feels good, not because you're trying to erase something. That's not just health, that's harmony. And somewhere in this new rhythm, you realize something profound. Your body was never the enemy, it was the messenger. Every craving, every plateau, every ounce of fatigue was a cry for nourishment, not punishment. It wasn't asking for less, it was begging for enough rest, enough nutrients, enough kindness. And when you finally give it that consistently, gently, without apology, your body begins to trust you again. That trust becomes the foundation of everything that follows. You stop forcing weight loss and start allowing it. You stop fighting food and start flowing with it. The process turns from survival to symphony. So if there's one truth to carry forward, it's this. The path to freedom isn't through less, it's through enough. Enough food, enough love, enough presence, because when your body feels safe, it performs. When it's nourished, it thrives. You don't have to starve yourself into your best self. You can feed your way there. One balanced meal, one honest moment, one act of trust at a time. That's the secret they never taught you. That's the secret that changes everything. And maybe that's how your story ends, or rather, how it begins. Not with another diet, not with another cycle of guilt and grind, but with a decision to feed yourself like someone who deserves to be alive, not someone trying to disappear, to choose energy over emptiness, to choose rhythm over restriction, to choose life real, full, and fearless. Because when you eat more to lose weight, you're not just changing your body, you're reclaiming your power, you're telling the world and yourself, that you're done surviving, you're ready to live.